Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. It is poem My New Rabbit. I am telling it is poem page number 22, My New Rabbit, only 12 lines. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 6 and homework number 5 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students of class 2, if you open your new Success with Buzzword book, this book, at page number 22, you will get the poem My New Rabbit. Page number 22, okay, My New Rabbit, and it is written by a poet named Elizabeth Gould. Look at the end of our end of the poem. It is written the poet's name Elizabeth Gould. Dear students, in this poem you will see there are 4 segments, but 4 segments or 4 stanza, but we shall learn and memorize only 3 stanza, that means 12 lines. Dear learners, in these connections I want to get your maximum attention. Please give your attention and look at board properly. So look here also it is written lecture number 6 and homework number 5th, okay, page number 22 of your buzzword book. So look at the title, My New Rabbit. That means the speaker's new rabbit as a pet. So we shall start reading the poem. So look here, it is 12 line poems. We brought him home. I was so pleased. We brought him home. I was so pleased. That means in the first sentence or in the first sentence of the poem, the speaker is telling that he was very pleased or very happy to have a pet or to have a rabbit as his pet. So look, here it is written, we made a rabbit hutch. So dear learners, in these connections, look at the word meaning of the word hutch. Hutch means a small wooden box in which rabbits or other animals are kept. So look, in your book, if you look at, there is a picture, and it is a picture about hutch or picture about a hutch, H-U-T-C-H. I gave him oats. I gave him oats. I talked to him. So look here, oats means a type of grain used as food. A type of grain used as food. That means the speaker gives him oats to eat. I talk to him. The speaker talks to him or talks to the rabbit. I love him very much. That means the speaker loves him very much. That means from the first 4 lines we have understood the speaker is very much happy to have a rabbit, new rabbit, and he talks to him, he gives him some oats to eat, and he loves him very much. Now second stanza, line number 5th. Now when I talk to Rover dog, so look here, that means another pet of the speaker, it is Rover dog. He answers me bow bow. So look here. So look here, dear learners, in these connections I want to get your attention. So look here, Rover dog, okay. Now when I talk to Rover dog, another pet, he answers me bow bow. And when I talk to kitty cat, so look here, kitty cat or small cat, another pet dog, she purrs. So look at the word purrs, P-U-R-R-S, purrs. This pronunciation is purrs, and says meow meow. So look here in the word meaning section, the meaning of purr is given, a sound that a cat makes when it is happy. Okay. That means in the second stanza or line number 5 to 8, we have understood here the speaker talks to his other pets. It is Rover dog and kitty cat. he talks to them, and in response the other pets like rubber duck and kitty cat talk to him also, and they make sound. Now third stanza, Bert Bernie. So look here, B-U-N-N-Y, Bernie or the rabbit. Bernie means the rabbit, but Bernie never says a word, just twinkles with his nose. Just twinkles with his nose. So in this connection, so look at the word meaning segment. Twinkles with his nose means move his nose up and down quickly. It is twinkles, just twinkles with his nose, and what that rabbit thinks about, why no one ever knows. Here it is seen the speaker is telling us that when the speaker talks to the Bernie or the rabbit, it doesn't make any sound, or he doesn't make any sound, just it twinkles. And it is seen, or the speaker is telling here, he thinks the Bernie or the rabbit knows a lot, but it doesn't tell anything what he knows. It doesn't tell, or he doesn't tell anything what he knows. This is the 12 line poems. Okay, look here. In first stanza, look, there are 4 lines. In second stanza, there are 4 lines also. In third stanza, there are 4 lines. And this, in totally, there are, so look here, 12 lines. But in your book, there are another stanza. But I am telling you, no need to write the last stanza. Only 3 stanza, that means 12 lines you will memorize. And dear learners, look at the end, it is written Elizabeth Gold. But if you think you can write the title, My New Rabbit of the poem, then here you can write the name of the poet, Elizabeth Gold. That means you have a choice to write name of the poet here and at the end of the poem. This is the thing. And 12 lines whole, and these 12 lines will be your homework also. That means homework, CW will be your homework. And CW, so look here, CW to homework. And CW will convert into your homework, and this is your 5th number homework. So look, this is your 5th number homework. Homework number CW to SW, and it is your 5th number homework. Dear learners, I hope that all of you have understood the interesting poem like My New Rabbit, and it is written by a poet named Elizabeth Gold. Dear students, whenever you will do your homework, please try to understand or keep this thing in your mind. So look here, after 4 lines there is 1 stanza. Okay, after 4 lines there is 1 stanza. Then that means after giving gap, okay, you will start next stanza. That means here it will be 4 lines also, then 4 lines. Please follow the way as it is written in our book, Buzzword book, page number 22. Dear students, I hope that all of my students of class 2 has understood this poem, My New Rabbit. Please do your homework properly and try to memorize the 12 lines of the poem, My New Rabbit. Finally, see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.